Muriega eroreri itu ndamwamukira kihinguro-ini giki gitu kia Ruth and Mary ya kwiruta Kikuyu. I welcome you to our YouTube channel, Learning the Kikuyu Language with Ruth and Mary. I am Mary. Ngwihoka nimwakeneire githomo kiria mwari nakio hindi wingi na Ruth gia kuria gia conjunctions na kuhupu nimwagithomire kindu. Ndamwamukira umuthi ndaigua ngenete muno, ningenaga muno ngiruta kiri Gikuyu na ninyendaga muno gwikora ingihota niguo andu mamenye Gikuyu tondu ni Gikuyu ni a beautiful language. Riu umuthi tukwaria uhoro wa indo cia mugunda, the farm and the tools, just a few of them, not all of them. Ke twambiririe mugunda na indo cia kurima, that is farming and garden tools. You have mugunda, that is the farm. Migunda, there are many farms. Murimi, the farmer. Murimi, farmer. Arimi, where there are many. Arimi, farmers. Normally in the farm you can have a gate where kihigo could be having cows or goats. The gate is called kihigo. Nako ni nyingi, there are many. Ihigo. You could also be having a river in the farm called Roe. There are many rivers. Joe could also have a well. Maybe you dig a well. You call it Ithima. And if there happen to be many Ithima wells, then you have Ishebe for digging. That is a hole. Ishebe, hole. Then when there are many, Masebe, hose. Mashebe, hose. Sometimes you might have a very big farm, you use a tractor. It's called karagita. That one is borrowed from the English language. Karagita. And there are many turagita. To plant, you say kohada. Then seeds, you say begu. Kohada begu. Then you have harvesting, you say kugeda. Could also be having cultivating, you say kùrīma. In this farm you might also have a cow. Ng'ombe, if there are many, ng'ombe does not change, it remains the same. So ng'ombe, cows, ng'ombe can be a cow or cows. The same thing with the ng'odu, sheep. Ng'odu remains the same. Ng'odu, whether one or many, ng'odu. Then you could also be having chicken in this farm. You say itube, you could be having eggs. Itube if it's one. Matube if there are many. You could also be having animals like goats. So you say buri, whether many or one, buri remains buri. Nidehoka nimwakenera kiria githomo kiu. Ngumuria na gitio, mu comment. Tukenagira muno mutukiro aria tungihota guthondeka angĩkorwo nĩ handũ mũkwenda tuongerere kana kĩ. Na ningĩ akorwo, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and like and share. Tigwo ina wega kinya hĩndĩ ĩyo ĩngĩ.